What's going on? So today I'm going to share with you some simple, and I mean simple, copy and paste style videos that you can build an entire channel around. And then we'll look at some actual channels that are currently doing this and making thousands monthly. And again, this is something anyone can do. You can easily do this. In fact, this method looks so quick, easy, and profitable, I may even try it on one of my other channels. After we go over these copy and paste videos, which are so simple, this is not going to take long, I'm then going to share with you one of the most effective methods for getting subscribers to your channel that I know of. So if you need more subscribers, be sure to watch this entire video. And if you're one of those who've been interested in my main methods and tools for growing YouTube channels quickly, becoming a YouTube partner, earning AdSense revenue, and even monetizing your channels for additional automated income like I do, check out the link in the description to my video series where you can watch over my shoulder, copy me, and set this up for yourself. And if you do come over to the course page and you scroll down a bit, you're going to see where people that are enrolled in the course are simply following each step and sharing the results they're getting right here. And I'm always updating and adding to the course content. I just added this new section here called 2-week monetization, where I actually show you how you can monetize a channel in about 2 weeks. And I've even had students report they've done it in as little as 11 days using the methods that I share in that section. So again, that link is in the description. Okay, now let's get into the meat of this video, and that is these copy and paste videos. Look how simple these are. Simple before and after type videos, where all you're going to be doing is cycling through before and after pictures of people that are associated to either movies or shows or Netflix series, whatever you want to do or whatever you are into, whatever you find interesting or that you think is going to do well. Now let's check out how popular these videos are and how much some of these channels are bringing in. So you can see right here, this video, Disney famous stars, 4.4 million views. Another Disney themed video, almost 10 million views. Victorious, I don't know if that's a show or a Netflix series, but this video here 4 weeks ago posted and already 851,000 views. So let's check out one of these channels. So this one is called Epic Time. So here's the channel. Let's take a look at other videos of theirs. Let's go ahead and sort these by most popular, so we can see what type of views they're getting. So if we just look at this top row here of their videos, it's probably over 25 million views just with these videos alone. And to get an idea of what a channel like this is bringing in, let's go ahead and head over to Social Blade. So here on Social Blade, I have Epic Time already uploaded, and you can see estimated on the high end they're earning upwards of $30,000 a month, $363,000 a year. If you look at their daily earnings, as much as $500+ every day. Here almost 1,000, 600, 600, 700, 800, over 1,000, and so on. Now if you want to see how they set their videos up, you can just come on over and check them out, look at some other channels, get some ideas, look at their more popular videos to see what types of videos they're doing. Are they based on movies? Are they based on Netflix series, popular TV shows? So that way you don't have to reinvent the wheel, you just do what works already and do your own version of it. Now if you do want to come up with some unique ideas, here's an idea for you. Simply head over to Google and just pick either a movie or a show or a series and type in, we'll go with movies, we'll just say top 10 movies 1985. So obviously, you know, it's 2020, you can go back 40 years, every year for the last 40 years. And for each year, look at the top 10 movies, the top 10 TV shows. As you get more recent, you can look at top 10 Netflix series. So virtually an endless amount of content and ideas you can come up with. But for us, let's just look at 1985 and pick a movie we could do this with. This one is a great one, The Breakfast Club. So basically all you do is click on whatever they give you here, and then usually you'll end up seeing an IMDb, which is Internet Movie Database website. And so if you click on that, you're going to be able to see the whole cast right here. So then you can simply go to Google with each of these cast members, put in Emilio Estevez 1985 and then Emilio Estevez 2020, search for images, and then you do it for the rest of the cast. You use a free video editor, put some copyright free music in the background, and just simply cycle through these pictures. And what's really great about content like this is the view duration on these videos are going to be great because people are going to want to see all the cast members. Now the other thing you could consider is the fact that you have different seasons. So right now it's October 1st, so we're getting into Halloween. So you could start doing themed videos around scary movies. As we get closer to Christmas, you could do Christmas movies. And so you can take advantage of the season, what people's interests are, and really blow up a channel very quickly. So I told you this was going to be quick and easy, and that's why I wanted to add something to this video. And again, that is going to be how to get people to subscribe to your channel. If you're struggling, or even if you're not struggling and you just want more people to subscribe, check this out. And so what this is a free giveaway site that I set up for people who subscribed to my channel when I first started and was struggling to get subscribers. Let me explain what this actually is, how it works, works, and how you can do the exact same thing in a matter of minutes without spending a dime. So this is simply a free Wix website. If you're not familiar with Wix, they have pre-made templates that you can use to literally create a nice looking website in minutes. And so all I did was I set up this free giveaway site. I put some free downloads on here. And then at the beginning of my videos, I would tell people to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I have some free gifts for my subscribers. All you have to do is be sure you're subscribed and then click on a link in the description to my Sub Central site where you can download some free gifts. And I would explain what these gifts were. And so to explain them to you, since I am in the grow on YouTube and make money online niche, these two in particular are for just that. So this one is a YouTube roadmap, which helps people to grow from scratch on YouTube. And this one was how to make money online using eBay. So where do you get free giveaways to put on your site? Easy. If you want, you can simply go to Google and search for free ebooks related to your niche, free software, free services, and so on. You could even just put links to other sites that offer free services or free software. So if you were in a niche like mine and my niche, that is for people interested in how to build a YouTube channel, for instance, I could just go ahead and just put links to free resources that I've used. So for instance, I could have an entire list of links on here. I could have a link to a free thumbnail template site like Snappa. This is Snappa right here. And so they offer templates for all sorts of different sites like Facebook and YouTube. And so you can see here there's a free YouTube channel art part of the site where you can set up channel art with their templates, free YouTube end screen template, free YouTube thumbnails. So they can just come over here. I could put a direct link right to here and say free YouTube thumbnail templates. So they could come directly to this page and think, cool, I can create some pretty sweet looking thumbnail templates. Then again, I could put another link to this channel art template page and I could say, use this free resource to create channel art. And then of course, free YouTube end screen. I could even make links to Facebook in case people wanted to make Facebook or Instagram posts and artwork, and they can just use these templates. I could even put links to free YouTube extensions like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, which have free versions of their extensions, free editing software, and so on. And so now I don't know what particular niche you're in, and so you would know better than I what is out there, or you can research this. And so within your niche, look at free services, free sites, free software that potentially you could give away on your subscriber giveaway site, or point people to those free resources and help people out. And in turn, they're going to subscribe to you, or many are going to subscribe to you. And I just use the honor system. I didn't have any sort of setup where they had to verify they were subscribers. I would just ask people to subscribe. And I definitely saw a huge boost in subscribers. So if you're just not to the point yet where your content is getting people to subscribe, then do stuff like this, which is really cool and really effective. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope this helps you out. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up and I'll see you in the next video.